Hi everybody, it's Renee from Wanna Scrap, and I'm here today to share with you this fun fall project that I've been working on with Steve's assistance. I've never created anything like this, and I just wanted to have a lot of fun with these like scarecrows and the different wood pieces that I got from like Dollarama and Dollar Tree. All these products are from. So yeah, I had just so much fun. We just sanded that down and treated it, coated it with a spray. These are the words that you can get from the Dollar Tree. These flowers are all from the same bunch, and this red one here is from another bunch. And some leaves, pumpkin, and this guy came all assembled on the haystack, and he was so cute. And got a chalkboard here, and because this is a gift, we had gotten a chalk writer, so we're going to put a little note on there for our friend, and that we're going to give her this so she can change the note anytime she wants. But yeah, it's so cute. I just love it. We got some Spanish moss in here and some of that floral foam in there, you can see. But yeah, I absolutely love how it turned out, and his arms attached to the sign, and it's not going anywhere. It's made pretty sturdy. And yeah, I'm so obsessed with making these. I picked up this wooden piece also. Whoa. And this came with a handle, so have fun with that. And this one I'm trying Mod Podge. I don't do too much Mod Podging, especially on surfaces. I've done it on paper, and I really have a lot of fun with it on paper, but it is different working with this. And I like the way the leaves went down inside. And yeah, I picked up some of these napkins, and these really pretty fall napkins. And I already cut out a couple of pumpkins. I'll probably maybe put them on the back here. But yeah, I'm looking forward to this fall decor piece too, and this one also. They're so fun to make. I encourage you to make one, have fun with it, use what's in your stash. This is my goal right now, is try to use up stuff I have. I buy very little just to complete a project, but other than that, I got to. It's crazy in here. Anyways, I hope you're all having a good day, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.